Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lola and you are watching Life with Lo. So this vlog I am going to be bringing you guys along. You guys hear them? They're so loud right now. But I'm gonna bring you guys along with me. I'm actually prepping to do our boys' first their 1-year-old photo shoot. Unfortunately, our photo shoot, our cake smash, got canceled, but I'm not doing a cake smash. I still want to get it professionally done for my boys, but I'm going to be doing just a fun photo shoot. And I was very upset I didn't get their first 1-year-old outfit, so I'm actually gonna be doing that myself. I'm gonna bring you guys along. Even I do this on the side, but I really don't do like t-shirts and stuff like that. So I am gonna do their onesies. I have their onesies over here, and then I made 2 different designs. I'm not sure which one I'll be going with. Actually might be going with these that have their name on it. I was gonna do this one, but I don't know, I'm loving this one, so I might be doing that one. And I have their little bow tie. And what else? I bought the number 1 and a little happy birthday thing. So it's gonna be like super simple. It's not gonna be nothing professional, but I want to bring you guys along because it's their first birthday, so it's gonna be super special for me and for them. When they get older, they get to look back on these videos, be like, my mom is crazy, but it's okay. So come along with me and let's get started.
So I didn't have a chance to buy their birthday onesies, so I decided to make it myself. So I did put together a video step by step on how to make this super cute birthday onesie.
Oh man. Babe, do you have the banner happy birthday? Can I see how that one looks like? Okay. So we're not gonna be using the happy birthday. Wah, wah, wah. We're gonna use this on their birthday when we sing happy birthday to them. But for the photo shoot, it is too big. It wouldn't fit on this little area here. So thank God George actually has a banner I told him to get a while back. He has it on his truck, so he's going to get that. So hopefully it's cute. He said it's red and silver, so that's not so bad. So I'm gonna do that, and I'm gonna blow up their number 1 balloon.
So right now I am going to blow up the number 1 balloon. We bought a tank of helium to make life easier, so we don't have to go out and get them done. And I didn't understand, but the balloon wasn't floating, so I was kind of upset. But then I also blew up 2 white balloons and 2 red balloons, but those were floating, so I'm still a little confused with that. And the banner was gorgeous, but I did have to cut them in half because it was too long, so it wouldn't fit in our little corner. So I put the balloons in the corner, which was super cute. And the number 1 wasn't working with me, so I had to put tape, and it turned out great. So for this photo shoot, I literally didn't use no lights, no nothing, no professional camera. As you can see, I'm using my phone, which is the 11 Pro, but you know, any phone will do just as good. And the balloon helped a lot. Just they love playing with it. And like I said, I started with Gabriel, and now I have Noah here, and it was a lot of work, but it's definitely going to be worth it at the end. And if you guys haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so and give this video a thumbs up. I'll definitely appreciate, and thanks so much for your love and support.
No, baby.
Santa.
It's a workout.
Hey, look. Hey. Donna. Hey. Boy. Boy. Hey. Hey, look. Ew. Hey. Look. Toma, here. Okay, Santa. Santa. Yeah. Yeah. Look. Hey, look. Ready? Hey. I do. Ready? Hold on. Hey.
Give me